Hey everybody, this is Chris, and today we're going to do a quick one, and I swear it's a quick one this time. I'm not lying to you. We're just going to do a quick, simple fix for gimbal error 0X0004. And usually when you get this, it's a calibration, a gimbal calibration error code. And you're told to go in and calibrate the gimbal within the app. And then after you do that calibration, it tells you to restart the quad. And then when you restart the quad, you go into your gimbal and check the status, and you still have the status error 0X0004. So a majority of the time, here's how you fix it. You go into the app and go to the gimbal. I'm using the old cell phone today, but you go into the gimbal, and then that's that gimbal tab on the left. So you go there, and then you click on starting calibration. Okay, so we're going to click starting calibration and see if you can see that. Doesn't really matter. We're going to click calibrate, and then it calibrates. And then it tells you calibration's complete, power down the quad. So that's what you do. You power it off, and then when you power it back on and you go back into your gimbal, you still see that error. Well, here's what you need to do. So we already calibrated it. Now we powered it off. You have to take out your battery, plug the battery back in. You're going to power the quad back on. You're going to do a gimbal calibration one more time. So that's your second gimbal calibration. And then when you're done with it, it's going to tell you to restart. So you're going to do that again. You're going to shut the quad off. You're going to pull the battery out again. You're going to plug it back in, power it back on. Restart your Hubsan app and go back and check your gimbal status, and it should say normal. So majority of the time when you have that gimbal error, this is the way to fix it. If that doesn't work, check out my other video using the gimbal tool, the gimbal calibration tool. That's much more extensive and basically reprograms the home point of the gimbal and all the access points. It's like an IMU for your gimbal. So that's all it is. Hopefully that helps you if you have that error code. And this isn't something Hubsan tells you. It's not in the manual. You know, if they have error codes, I think they should at least have something on their website explaining what these error codes are. They rely on people on YouTube and Facebook groups to do all this information for them. So this isn't something that's a guaranteed fix every time, but it seems to help a majority of the people, so hopefully it helps you as well. And that's it. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell for future content. As always, thank you very much for watching the videos, and my job is to be here to give you information, educate you, help you, you educate me, and hopefully just bring you good content for the things that you run into with your Hubsan Zino. So until the next video, take care.